This is on your mom's side.
On my mom's side.
On your mom's side.
Aguilar. Because my mom is Aguilar, pero when she was 2 years old, Papa Benjamin Gallegos adopted her. Pero Papa Pozo de León, and they brought her back. She was just a baby. She was 2 years old.
Oh, I see.
That's why my mom is Gallegos. Aguilar Gallegos.
So, Don Benjamin then built the store in the 30s?
Yeah. No. Okay, yeah. The store was right here, right there,
Oh.
in my bedroom. That was a store.
Oh, that was the first store.
Yeah.
Oh, and then they built onto it?
Because business is great here.
Yeah.
So he built it over there. Yeah. And then they moved here. They moved out of here, but La Toña no le gustaba aquí. She was from Santa Rosa,
Yeah.
his second wife.
Oh, that was his second wife.
No, sí, Grandma Teresita was his first wife. And that was my mom's mom, like adopted mom. And she got TB. Y se murió. So Papa Benjamin, I call him that because that's what my mom used to call him. We never called him grandfather. We called him Papa Benjamin. He remarried Antonia Sanchez, and that's where Marion and Dolores came from.
So when was this?
1940.
The store
Okay,
first
this was from the
established?
30s, and then that part was built in 49, I think. 49.
Okay.
But business was booming here.
Because of the railroad? And well, you got 285, 60, and 54
Yeah, we
down
got
through here.
trabajo.
And you got the Southern Pacific, and then
Yeah.
they built that spur from Berlin to Clovis, that Santa, was it Atchison, Topeka, and the Santa Fe?
Yeah.
From Berlin to
Berlin to
Clovis.
Clovis.
Yeah, so they were building that railroad, really,
Yeah.
and they needed a lot of,
Había mucho trabajo. Y luego había sesiones,
yeah.
like Tony. There was a section house there.
I
People
remember
lived
that,
there.
yeah.
Maintenance.
I think I may have lived there in the
Oh, yeah.
beginning, my mom and dad.
Luego, this side of Indiole, there was a section house there. And there was living quarters there.
In
Every like 10 miles se me que había sesiones.
yeah, something like that.
Yeah. I mean,
Papa Benjamin.
yeah, he moved from here in 1954. Antonia,
Where does he come from?
from Antonchico.
Oh, from Antonchico.
Yeah. Yeah. Él y Carlos, Pánavo.
There were quite a few.
Aquí había trabajo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there were people, when they would work, they could start a business, right?
Mira tú cuántas tiendas había aquí. Está Lehman Scott, The Allens, People's Store, Sanders y la Miss Parker.
Right here was the main part of town, right here, right?
Well, this was the highway.
Oh,
Se aplicaba
The railroad.
y salía en el guay, ese camino.
I see,
Yeah.
I see.
There was well, once you got off of this, once you got close to the railroad, it was just a dirt road.
A maintenance road, basically, yeah, for the railroad, a maintenance road.
Well, this was a highway, and then later,
Oh,
New Mexico, the DOT switched it from the Y straight.
I see,
Yeah.
I see, I see.
Because there wasn't a lot of room there on this side of el levante que hicieron for that thing. It's about a 50-foot lift. The railroad.
The railroad,
It's
the
about a
railroad
50
bid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's about a 50-foot lift that they made.
You know, I kind of
Anyway, so
remember.
they switched it over
I
there.
kind of remember those stories. So then that kind of moved all the businesses over there to that main road, then
Yeah.
because we had we had Scott's, we had Allen's, and then we had the Holly Radio Shop next to it.
Oh, the
remember?
radio shop.
Yeah.
Only, yeah.
And then the People Store here and Sanders,
Yeah.
and then there was another one over here. ¿Qué era? Radcliffe.
Oh, he had the second-hand store.
It was yeah, that's right. I remember going in there. And then across from there was Skinny's.
Yeah, he had that,
That
like a motel.
motel and a gas station. I remember going with my dad and pumping that. Remember that pump where it was a glass
That
cylinder?
was here at the fuel store.
There was one here too.
Oh, yeah.
But by the time I remember only going in there once, maybe. But then I remember it being abandoned, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And somebody came and bought it, yo creo. Or it may still be in storage someplace. But I remember that glass one. I had forgotten about the ones that you guys
Yeah,
had
we
here.
had one here. Pero eran de skinny.
Because he was the one that was supplying you with the gasoline.
Yeah. When the electric pumps came out, then he got that one and I don't know what he did with it.
But you guys never put an electric one in here, did you?
Yeah, we did.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't remember it.
Yeah.
I guess I was already gone.
Yeah. You know, when this EPA came around and told everybody to pull their tanks,
Yeah. And there was the bank,
oh, Citizen State Bank,
Citizen State
then
Bank.
Mr. Huntsing.
Yeah. Well, everything was around here, then he had his, the lumber yard.
Gilbert, bueno, estaba así, y luego Gilbert Radio had a bicycle shop over there.
Oh, is that where he started?
Y luego, porque era sobrino de mi papá Benjamín. You know, when they changed the road, Papa Benjamin, he bankrolled Gilbert to
Start his
start
little,
the Gilbert Radio.
his dry goods store over there.
Yeah. Y luego, el Speedy Montoya era sobrino de Papa Benjamin.
That's
también.
right. And so did he bankroll him too?
Yes, he started him in business.
Oh.
Porque Papa Benjamin no tenía vicio. He was just rat hole money.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was a good businessman. You know, and he made enough to be able to go and settle really well in Albuquerque.
Oh, yeah. Well, see, he was buying property over there. He was buying apartments.
Ah.
Porque yo en Margo íbamos in the summer, and we do his lawns. Tenemos un cajón fuerte ahí. It's about this big.
I remember it. It was two steps up, and there was your dad's one of those roller.
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh, see, let's
Yeah,
take it.
he
If you don't mind before we leave.
What's
I'd like
that safe? Porque dice B.A. Gallegos.
Oh, remember his dad sitting back here and working on his balance sheets and stuff, ordering probably, and at this desk right here.